Hello Capricorns, Taurus and Virgo. Welcome to my place Essential Speaks Messages Gypsy Witch Tarot. There's important conversation or communication coming through. Very important, okay, you can't skip it. Anyways, there's one card that came out. Happy Halloween. Sending you love all the way from India, Bharat. Namaste. Let's start with your reading. And did I say, mentioned it? Follow me on Insta, SSHELLS Essentials Running. Okay, there's this message coming of keep growing. I feel like this is connected with certain project that is actually there, is going to land in your life, because this is the what the energy is telling me. 8 of Wands energy. There's important conversation coming through. You can't skip it. Like, you need to take these calls, okay? This may be emotional as well. This may be somewhere from far. You're having frequent conversations with someone. Okay, this is about being right, okay? You being right on your part, of course, but this is also about, okay, to what extent or to what way you are right about certain matter. This is kind of like justice energy. There may be Libra. Okay, so let's see. I'm seeing like there is this, as in symbolism, there is this deer, okay? And deer is taking jumps. And because of like that friction and spark, the deer is on fire, which means symbolism that because there was nothing negative, was like jumps were so high that I could actually see them in the forest, like the woods, beyond trees. Okay, so I could see that actually. Now, how it is represented, there is a lot of curiosity, excitement, there is this rush, and I feel like I should portray this as like a race. You are having certain kind of race here, which may be again connected with sudden things entering in your life, connected with your focus on your travel, some conversation again that you won't skip or you should not skip. This may be sudden travel, maybe not organized, means that everything is not set, but you're going to plan it sudden. Okay, so there is definitely movement in your life. I see as a positive move, and also it is something that you are possible, some of you are landing in like a very passionate relationship, because there is then again water and there is fire around, and with that fire and passion there is something that you're going to take the dive, and the moment you're going to take the dive is going to be, it's going to be settled. Something is going to be settling in your life. Okay, let's see the card. 2 of Pentacles. You have 2 of Pentacles reversed. My whole deck is erect, but this kind of came out like this. Okay, I see settlements. I see no more confusion. I see no more juggle. If there was something happening in your life connected with this or that, choices or some puzzle or some juggle issues at work or something, whatever that was, or thoughts, they are going to settle. That's what I feel like. The deer is going to take the dive in water, and it's going to be very fast, quick. Everything is going to settle very fast. So when things are going to shuffle in your life, and things are going to little bit go here and there, and you might feel like, oh my god, this is so unorganized, but actually this change is happening, or things are happening in your life to settle things. That's what I saw. Okay, I also see like very curious love in your life, again taking leap of faith and taking the like that dive in the water, and like zzz. So it's whatever is connected, it's going to settle. With the 2 of Pentacles reverse, very positive sign. I feel like no negativity, nothing, no more stretching of something, or your whatever the issue was is going to settle. Justice will be served. That's what I saw. Okay, with the 8 of Wands energy, go ahead and make or take the decisions. Your sorry, apologize. Your bottom energy here, 10 of Wands, again, you are done with something. No more drag, no more burden on your shoulders. I feel like destination. Okay, so you have chosen something and you are heading towards that. Maybe you're shifting, maybe you're traveling, maybe you're done with certain relationship or work situation, because I see like both of your things here. If this is about just professional, you're choosing wise. If this is about personal and professional, then again you're settling things. Like you are not no longer dragging something. Like there was some tension or load here. It's going to be out like this. Like I'm free now. Like, you know, and some of you might be going through certain thing connected again medical, so maybe you are getting treatment for that. I feel like shoulder pain or something like here, the stress here behind your neck, you know, here bottom part, it's going to be that kind of energy. Look at the energy. Just look at this. The Y for Taurus, Virgo, Capricorn is all about zero the Fool energy. There is this new journey, new beginning, new mission in your life, new goal in your life, new love in your life, whatever is happening here. These things are going to settle. And I've been like praying for you guys, like really. Many of you are going through some stuff, okay? So, yes, you're starting your life, possible work related or love related, totally at a new place here. Zero the Fool energy is loyalty. Some of you have dogs here, cute dogs. Work focus is coming for you. New thing, I see like you're polishing something. You are getting, then again, let's talk about it, like, because that year was on fire, like passion and everything. And jumping. I have to reach to that destination. This is about a certain thing that you are just about to complete. So this is about polishing, keeping, okay? Feeling more organized here. I'm taking that card though. Let's see. Now this is your card. Wow. So your curiosity is going to lead you to new garden, new place, new work. Ace of Wands is my karma card. So this is your action. This is like you're ready. You fly high. This is also about like new, what's happening with my throat? I'm sorry. I apologize. This is also connected with certain kind of new work, new creativity, your project. Also it is connected with your new love or passionate relationship. Why? Because I saw like, so there is this thing, okay? You people have been running since long, coming out of things, making situations a little bit hot, you know. Why? Because you've been planning on moving ahead and you are very fast. So that's why I talked about race. And when you are in the race, you may get friction, you may get sparks, you may be on fire, you may get heated up. Why? Because temperature is going high, right? So you might be the deer. And you may check your deer symbolism, because they're always hopping. Right? So when they're supposed to, they're going to be only calm and they have a lot of grass or leaves or particular something, whatever they eat. So you are searching in the jungle, which place is good for me? And you never notice that you're on fire. You are very much like, how I can say, like you're very active. You've changed, your lifestyle has changed. And this Ace of Wands is all about like you went through while you started running from a caterpillar situation, and now your whole situation is changed. Like you are butterfly, you can fly. Wow. And I talked about justice, right? So justified situations. Libra might be. I feel with this that you are going to travel, shift, work, whatever you're going to do here, your next plans. It is about you are leaving your castle. So can we say like you are removing yourself from comfort zone, or the usual thing, usual place you've been in for a very long time. You are going to lay your foundation or seed somewhere new, when then you're going to grow something from there, right? That kind of energy is coming. I see like hop, creative, happiness, race, beauty, no more confusion, abundance. Again, you have, look, you have 8 of Wands and 8 of Pentacles. There is conversation coming, there's movement, there's travel possible coming in your life. Again, you're going to figure out that particular sea or something like that. You're going to find out. So your decision is coming, connected with your work. 8 of Pentacles, you're working, specializing in something, and you're going to figure out a whole new level of you. Again, Ace of Cups. So some of you are going to, I'm hearing some of you are going to be visited by love in your life. Choices, if were, now going to be decided. For some of you, or for many of the percentage here, I see love. Very passionate connection here, especially with Ace of Cups. Lot of talks. Those are going to be happening in the now. Okay? Oh, wow. Someone is going to give you whole love. Whole love means they are totally dedicated. And if this is going from your side, of course you are. You are heading towards, you're making decision, Two of Wands energy. This may be in the current situation or the way you are heading, okay, wherever you are heading. So this may be your future travel. This is about future decision between your past and present. If this is about Two of Pentacles or past and present relationship, you're deciding on that, okay. Something that you might be feeling all the way like something is wrong, something is false, or something is like I should not claim it kind of energy is coming. But then you are heading towards something. Look, this is like all the way telling you, the High Priestess with the Five of Pentacles. I feel like this kind of energy is like you might be feeling wounded, but you know that where you are heading. It is also something like, if I do this, then what will happen? Will I ever be able to come back kind of energy, what's going on? So this is something possible. You're leaving job, you're resigning from job, possible joining it, deciding on something new, that is going to be good for you. Okay, you have to be on fire. You are passionate about something that is happening in your future. With the Two of Wands energy, definitely you're going ahead. You might be feeling Five of Cups. You might be feeling what if, what now, what then kind of energy. When we are heading towards new things in our life, we do have that, what if I leave this place? What if I leave this relationship if something is wrong? No, not right. You are leaving. Of course, something is wrong. Then only you're taking certain decision, okay? You might be missing someone. So your overall energy is about not to get confused, not to get messed up. I know you've been. Some of you have Aries, Leo, Sagittarius in your life. And while shuffle, there was bottom energy as Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces as well. There might be choices. There might be something in the middle stuff, okay? I see your trip. Okay, I was not even aware. There is this tremendous journey coming in your life. So real-time journey is also coming. With Six of Swords energy and Nine of Cups energy, many of you are fulfilling and following your dreams, passion, or love. This is what is. Your desire is coming true, where you really want to focus and you want to work. And you're going to figure out your sea. Maybe ocean. That's what. You're waving, you're going, you're moving. Six of Swords is that you're not stopping. Some of you are done with your relationships here because it is supposed to be, if it is. And you're going to be single and free. Some of you are going to work free. Like free in the way like freelancing, or you are starting something new in your life. With all love and honor, okay? And now, let me see. I see your new relationship or something that you're deciding on and you're heading towards. There is also new place that I see. You're going to shift to a place where there might be water bodies nearby. Okay. Now, this may be ocean, sea, pond, whatever. There's a lot of water. So maybe there will be humidity, or there's going to be some temperature that remains good, not too hot, not too bad, kind of like, you know, energy. But there will be water bodies. Is going to happen in future. Some of you are going to decide on this because you have a passionate love story bringing, like in your life, it's opening up. I see love talk, lot of love talk. There is someone in the picture. Maybe someone is coming all the way from how they're coming, but they're coming. Like you've juggled, whoa, you have juggled a lot. In your future, you have juggled a lot. I want to complete my sentence. Let me complete my sentence. Journey. You saw just like here. So your journey, Six of Swords journey. And there's going to be a lot of expectations versus reality checks and all that, but you're going to be good, okay? Oof. You're going to be good. With the journey, there may be journey of someone coming, there may be journey of you, because definitely there is journey of you, okay? Definitely. Someone will miss you when you head, or someone is missing you already, because you are having those plans of organizations and everything. Better organizations I can see in your future. better plans, better talks, better settlements, definitely. Water body is near, I'm telling you that. Also, you might be specifically dealing with a Leo, but could be Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. Water sign is also there. Definitely there is journey in your life. Be prepared for something new and exploration, because you are deciding on this. Because I saw the deer. And then you're going to settle and rest. Take care, guys. I love you. See you soon.